Well, hello and welcome to another video. I'm going to show you quickly how to cut out the PNG version of my KitKat template box if you don't want to use your cutting machine or don't have a cutting machine. In Cricut Design Space, when you upload the design into the design space, the size of the KitKat template box is about 10.6 by 4.5, and that creates the base layer for the KitKat box. So if you want to bring the design into Canva and just cut out the PNG as a template, you definitely can do so, and I'll show you two ways on how you are able to do that. You can bring the PNG template grouped with all the elements, and what we're going to solely focus on is the actual KitKat box itself. I'm going to bring my design box as close as possible to the design without cutting it off. Like so. And the template design size that works best is about 10.5 by 4 by 5 inches. So I'm going to scale it out until I reach those side dimensions. So about 10.5 by 4.5 is a very similar dimensions to use for the box, and what you want to do is just save it as a PDF and print it out. I'm going to go ahead and include a transparent PNG box solo to my listing, so this will be available for you as well. So if you don't want to do that first option of scaling it down, I will include a PNG, and you could bring the PNG in, do the same thing, get as close to this design as possible and scale it out to about the sizing of 10.5 by 4.5. I found that even going a little bit bigger, 10.7 by 4.6 is also a good size, and it gives you a little bit more room to cut. But the 10.5 by 4.5 is the perfect dimensions to use. So here's the actual cutout from Cricut Design Space, and I'm just going to show you next to the PNG. With the group PNG and just scaling it, it's very, very close to the actual cutout from Cricut Design Space at the 10.5 by 4.5 inches. And then the PNG that I will include in the listing with the score lines as a template guide is also right on the money. And I also just want to show you, if you want to go a little bit bigger, 10.7 by 4.6, you definitely can do so. I think it gives you just a little bit of room to cut around the design, so you have a little bit of wiggle room. But the 10.5 by 4.5 is comparable to the Cricut Design Space version of the design. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!